to be continued. Okay, this is my second. My car is Metropolis. I don't know this brand. It's like 2013. It's like a Malaysian car. That's right. And take a drive. So is that just now one? Let's go. Highway. Whoa, I see him fly. Here, accident. Here, major accident highway. So close, I almost crashed. Oh, yo, bus, naughty bus. Actually, they renting a new car. Oops, that car went to cut me. Turn left. Two gem. Thank you. Oh, the light and the bus go. Whoa, bus. Oi. Oi, motor accident. Wait, there's another police. Faster lah, black car. Alright. ZEF3451 my car. Oh, there. We are reaching on there. This place. But I saw I way down there. turn on the light now. Oh yeah. That car want to go highway now. There we go. Okay, light on. Okay, now the light on.
Never showed up for his interview, so it looks like I'll be doing another solo run this week. Heavy man, great to have you back. Thanks. How's your record going? You know I was working on a record. I see you a little cocky. Sure, I mean, no way the fuck you gotta have drink. Yeah, plus you wanna have me train and deliver cheese. When was the last time you niggas sat down and worked in that record? Trying to convince me anything more than a sad amalgamation.
Oh yo, that car no entry road. Oh shoot. Oh no. Okay, turn right. Yeah, we're not going inside it. We have to stop outside. Park outside, I mean. Yeah. Motor, go first. There, he's on the way. Oh, here we are. But we need parking. Here we are. For the startup, we can turn off the radio and out the car. That's all for my car. I'll show you. Look inside. Is it nice, guys? Is it nice inside? This is my car. I stole the police car. It will open now. Okay, let me use that door. Let me sit here. Yeah, you see my feet. Oh, you see, turn the right. That look. Here, it closed itself. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. And this is Jason. This is my Jason car. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.